Hello student, welcome to my yet another tutorial of pencil rendering. Today I am going to use 10B pencils. There is a trick to it. You have to sharpen it in a certain way, which I will show you how to sharpen these pencils. All these pencils are 10B pencils. You have to use your sharpener and you have to give a flat you have to keep a rough paper and try it. I am keeping 4 pencils ready for different purposes, which I will show you in the next few minutes. Be very careful while sharpening your pencil. You should not cut your finger. You have to cut it like this, right? And try till you get satisfied. If you want to use sandpaper, you can use it. Sharpen it gently. Keep the finger below that lead so that lead will not break. But you should be very careful. You should not cut your finger. My advice will be keep at least 4 pencils ready so that you can finish this rendering in a smooth way. I am using these pencils which are more or less similar to the charcoal pencils. Charcoal is a different pencil, different type of thing. That is a wine charcoal and these are lead. Wine sticks charcoals. Now I am ready for my rendering. Please watch it carefully and enjoy the video. I have started with the lighter shades, that means shadows first. Look at the objects. You should always keep a rough paper below your hand in order to protect your outline. Slowly you have to add the tones. You can add pressure to the pencil for the darker tones and reduce the pressure when you want lighter tones. First practice this on a rough paper and then start your final drawing, final rendering. I took around 3 hours to complete this rendering. It depends upon individual to individual. But don't be in a hurry to spoil your drawing. spoil your rendering. And enjoy this video. Watch my next video in which I'm going to show you another technique of